All right, welcome back to the channel for another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Now, man, I'm happy that I'm technically done with this engine. Yeah, I'm done technically, but now I just need to replace the motor mount and the transmission mount, and then we'll do a transmission join and fill, and then we'll be good. But now in today's video, I'm going to remove this panel right here, how I can replace the brake lights right here. So these are the same cream color. I'm going to change this to black. Now if you have rear sunshade, you have to put it down, and then you have to remove the seats. I already have a video on this, you can check it out. Then you have to remove this panel right here. That there's a bolt in here, and there, and you also have to remove this panel right here and that one over there as well. All right, let's make it happen. And there's a clip right here you need to be careful for. It's right underneath of here. Try not to break it. Just like that. And now you can kind of pull this towards you like this. And to completely get the seat belts out of the way, you kind of have to pop this like this, and that way you can pass them through here, just like that. And you do this same thing for here and there. So for this seat belt right here in the middle, it is easier to remove, but this one can go to this right here in the panel. So what you do, you just pop this in, and then this is the seat belt bracket. So there's a little clip right here. You push that. While you push it in, you kind of lift at the same time, just like that. As you can see, this one pop out, and you'll do the same thing for here. You push that clip in and you press, and as you can see, this one out as well. And now you can slowly remove the seat belt out of that bracket, just like that. This is off, and now you can pass this through in here like this, and now that whole thing is off. All right, so let's remove that panel right here. I think first I should remove this light. There are no clips. I believe you just pull this back towards you like this. Yeah, that's it. And this one, watch out for the speakers. But first, before we do this, we do have to disconnect this wire down there. As you can see, there's a wire here, so we can pull this forward. So that clip is off. Let's see if I can remove that cover, just like that. And from now, this wire right here, we can disconnect it, and that one right there as well, and this one we can just remove it. And then this wire, however, these two, you lift that one from that, it'll stay with the car, and you do the same thing for here, and now you'll be able to push these in. Just like that, and you can remove that whole thing. Remove it just like that, and now we should be able to install our new ones. And let me check these speakers, they look fine. So now let's just throw the new one on. This is the old one next to the new one, which is the black one. As you can see here, this one is all cream and this one is all black. It's the same thing. You just pull this back and then do the same process, and then we will be all set. All right, this is the new one. So I'm just gonna pass the wires through just like we did, just like that. And then I'm just gonna clip them back where they are, where it's supposed to be. Okay, just like that, the new one is on. Now we just have to put this one back, just plug them. This one goes here like this, and the gray one, why is this missing? Well, my friend, that is strange. The clip for that one is missing. Where did it go? Anyways, I don't think we didn't need it. I think this thing fell off because they hold by a little tip. So I'll see if I can find this inside the car, and then I'll come back and do it off camera. And this will go here, and this will go here. You connect it like this, and next thing you do is you clip this back together. All right, just like that, we are all set. Just make sure that you test your brake lights and make sure it's working. I'm gonna remove this seat belt. For the seat belt, there's a bolt here, bolt there, and for this one there's a bolt here, and then for that one there's a bolt here and bolt there, and then you do need to disconnect them, and then we'll replace them with the new one. This is our new seat belts, the one that I put off from the GS350. No, it was a GS300 at the junkyard. So these are the black ones, and these are the old ones. Like I said, I won't show much because it's easy. You have one bolt here, one bolt there, which is this one. You bolt it back on, you plug it, and then you put this on top of the wire. This is a bracket to hold it, and then you'll be all set. And this one right here only has one bolt, and this one right there is the same thing as this one, and then you'll be all set with the seat belts. I installed the new black seat belts back. this one down here, and these up here. And like I said, I didn't record this because it's easy. There's a bolt right here and a bolt there. You just remove them and you plug it here. There are two plugs, one here and one there. That's the bracket you push back to release this, and push it back forward to hold the connector. And you'll do the same thing here on that side. And for here is just one bolt right here, and then you're all done. Now let's just put the black panel back, and then we will be all set. But these you put back on after you install the panel, because these two, the one on this side and that side over there, they will not go to the panel, so you need to wait at the end to put this back on. So now let's just put the new panel back. All right, so this is good right here. Now we just install our bolt back. So I put the bolt back, I'll put these panels back, and then we'll be all good. All right, just like that, we are all set here. As you can see here, this looks so much better than that ugly cream or tan, whatever they call it. The black, it just looks so much nicer. Now for this part, I already did this for the seat belt, and this is the left side. So these, like I said, there's a clip down here. You pop that off, you open it up, and then you pass the seat belt through, and then you'll be all set. And this is kind of go like this, just like that. It'll be up like this. You lift that up, try not to break it. You lift them up just like that. All right, let's do this one first, and then you put that in there, and that's it. We're good. So that being said, this is how you replace that rear light in the panel. You remove the seat, remove this panel right here, and you gonna remove the other one, and then lift that thing, and then disconnect it, and then put the new one back on, and then you'll be all set. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a good afternoon, good night, and I will see you guys in the next one.